Hi guys, this week's theme is to talk about the holidays. This introduction is gonna go in the beginning of everything because I'm filming this December 28th since I filmed one on Christmas Eve, but I didn't really like the way it turned out. But basically, what I chose was kind of vlogging, but not really. Just a bunch of random clips from Christmas and Christmas Eve. They're mainly boring, but yeah. Okay, bye! I'm trying to practice not looking over there, but I'm just so used to moving my eyes when I talk. I look bored, but I'm just really tired. Let's listen to some Christmas music.
Baby, all I want for Christmas is
Me? I missed. Oh, I missed again. I'm eating Cinderella cookies and watching Sailor Moon. And, wait for it. That's what my Christmas Eve consists of. That was my regular face, I'm sorry. It is an hour until Christmas and I'm really tired and I just want to go to sleep. But...
Woo! Valerie! Wow. Valerie, here, it's from Marielos. ¿Qué es eso?
Who's Marielos?
Wow, baby! Una muchacha que a Valeria no le cae tonta. She goes, why does she talk like that? So annoying!
That one's yours.
No puedes hablar, pero quieres cantar.
She was singing before she was here.
Oh, you got a pretty little pony.
Hey guys, I'm tiny chatting with Jessie and Jamie and she just interrupted my vlog. Okay. And what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I love them because they're really awesome and I've gotten close to them the past 2 days. So yeah. She's eating chocolate. Say hi guys. I don't even know if I can get it. Okay, bye!